Here we have a 2015 Mercedes Sprinter, new shape fridge freezer van in white, box van. Only one owner from new. It's come direct from Fleet Management Company, who supply a major food company in the UK with fridge vans. So it's got full service history. One owner from new. It's been really well looked after. The body, as you can see, is in clean condition. All the freezer works. Goes down to -30 with 2 compartments, one smaller one here and the larger one in the back, which I will show you. In the cab, it's really tidy. There is a little bit of wear on the driver's seat, which is probably commensurate with a vehicle that's done high mileage like this one, but drives absolutely perfectly. It's been really well looked after. There is only 2 seats, so bear that in mind. Most freezer box vans do when they're in a chassis cab. In terms of the service history and the logbook, so there's 0 former keepers. And then as well as that, we have a printout which has been done by the Fleet Management Company, and they've given us a service printout of everything that's been done in terms of service record. So it will have been serviced according to the manufacturer's specification. There is also the Mercedes book pack. Got all of the various manuals, if I can get it out. Everything with the van is all there. Chassis is really tidy. There's no horrible dents or rust or scratches. You know, expect the odd mark. It is a used van with high mileage, but you know, it's been very well looked after. So yeah, there is wear on the driver's seat, but so I'll just turn the heater down. The engine, it's perfect. It's got full power. Just pick this up. No lights on the dash. This is just the handbrake and my seat belt. The gearbox and the clutch are nice and smooth. There's no strange noises. And then reverse is, I think reverse is down on the left there. Okay. The fridge works fine, as you can see. I've just turned it on and it is going down in temperature. It does go down to -30. So if you see, I'll just show you on here how it works. So there's the 2 compartments. So that is SP is compartment 1 and SP2 is compartment 2. And we can adjust the temperature all the way down to -32. Okay, and then if I switch it back to we've got a defrost function. So SP1, which is space, I think it stands for, space work. You're going to hear that working in here. It's getting nice and cold. Okay, feel it a bit cold. Got some lights at the back here. And the other compartment is just in here. That one's getting nice and cold as well. So the freezer and the fridge function is fully working. It's a really nice van, one owner, full history. The bodywork is in really good condition. You see lots of these fridge vans that are battered with dents everywhere. The fridge doesn't work, and they're often turned into recovery trucks. But I think this one is the best of the batch. You know, mechanically perfect, great condition. It could easily be sign written up for, for the new owner, and it's going to be looking very, very professional. We do take part exchanges, so we can arrange, if you want to chop in your vehicle, trade it in, then we can accommodate that. As well as that, we do offer a 1-year warranty. Due to the mileage on the vehicle, there would be a claim limit per claim of £250 that can carry on up to the value of the vehicle. It's an AutoGuard select level of cover. Nice and tidy. If you do have any more questions about the van, then feel free to get in contact and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. There are 2 keys as well if you haven't seen that already. Thanks for your time today, and if you do need to call us, our office number is 01753 267 270. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.